room is a mess. My head is a mess. I'm stressing. It is October 17th today, 10:48 a.m. I woke up at like 8, but I've been so tired, so exhausted that I haven't really gotten much done in the time I've been awake. I ate and then just kind of been doom scrolling, trying to put off packing and everything I have to do, but I threw on a pack and prep with me in hopes that it will help me pack. I have my suitcase out. This is my checked luggage with all of my packing cubes. There's a bunch in here. And then this one I actually thrifted. I plan on using this one just for like dirty underwears and stuff like that. And then I have my carry-on bag here, my purse, and then my personal item from Base. Pretty good setup. I'm going to California for 2 weeks, but I have a lot to do. As you can see, I haven't started packing yet, and I am stressing to say the least. It's already 11 and I wanted to be out of here like by this time, and I still have to pack, water all of my plants, and yeah, I just have a lot to do before I leave. And I always get so stressed before trips. I do not like flying in general, but something about just like forgetting something. I've been having these dreams where it's like I forget my passport, or like I forget like my phone, or like the anxiety's officially creeping into my dreams, and it's just so debilitating. So as anxious as I am to forget something, I'm also really excited obviously to see my boyfriend, but there's no better feeling than landing and finally being in our Airbnb and just being able to like breathe. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. I have a super early morning tomorrow. My period is already delayed from stress, so I've just been extra tired, extra unmotivated, but I'm gonna be trying my best, and of course I'm gonna be bringing you guys along, so I'll probably try to update you guys on the packing process. Yeah, and then tomorrow morning we'll be heading to the airport and seeing you in Los Angeles. Update on the packing situation. I have packed half of my suitcase. In here is basically just my shoes. Hot tip, put your shoes in a plastic bag, and also pack your shoes so that they're inside of each other. I was able to squeeze these heels inside of the sneakers, and obviously they don't weigh a lot, so I'm not concerned about anything being overweight. This side is a lot of light stuff, so I have my shoes, some hats, I have a heating pad, I have some light sweaters, I have some pajama sets, and then I have a black tracksuit set, which I'm still deciding if I want to wear that to the airport or not. So if I end up wearing that to the airport, it'll just be switched out for a different tracksuit. And then under here I just have a bit of like extension cords, a few shirts that are gifts for Ricky, and just a few other cute little gifts that are in there. On this side I do have all of the packing cubes still laid out. I have started putting some stuff in there and also setting some other things aside. And then here, oh yeah, I just put my Gucci purse inside of a plastic bag just for like extra protection. I'm planning on putting my technology kind of stuff, like things that don't need to be taken out of my carry-on. So for example, like tripods, things like that I have over here. I still kind of have to go through this box that I just like threw stuff in there. So right now this is what my situation is like in the Base mini weekender. So I have my laptop here. It comes with this laptop sleeve, faux leather, and then in this section there's a zipper here. Sorry, the bag, guys, the bag opens up like this, but a huge con is that when it's heavy it closes, and also it's extremely slumpy. Like there is like a metal wiring in the top to keep it nice and square when you do open it like that. Huge thing they should also do is put the metal wiring along the sides, because for like a $200 bag or whatever this bag costed, like you don't want it looking slouchy and like weird. Like that's one thing I'm extremely disappointed in about the bag. Once it is a bit more full, it will look a bit more inflated. But anyways, I just have my computer, I have my agenda, I also have my film camera. Film gets damaged through the screening process for your bag, so I always ask them to hand check that, and it's never been a problem. I have my chargers, I have my blue light glasses, and then I just have additional earplugs in case I want to watch a movie when I'm on the plane. And then I just have some little things that I might need if I do some work on the plane. Under here, there's actually a removable storage kind of port thing here. So here I just have my journal, I have a book, and then I just have some word searches because I'm literally an old grandma. Here is the purse that I'll actually be carrying on me. So in here I have some ginger candies, a fidget toy in case I get nauseous and bored. In here I have my loop earplugs because they honestly just help me if I'm trying to do work and I don't want to use my AirPods for noise canceling. And then in here I have my passport. In this one, it's like an RFID safe kind of pocket, so I just have my wallet in there with like my card holder in there with all of my different cards. I also just wanted to show you a bit of the meal prepping I did. I did cut up some green apples and strawberries, and then I also made this ginormous thing of kale salad, and I also have some potatoes that are roasting in the air fryer. For protein, I am planning on just doing a couple of vegan fish fillet type of things. I don't usually pack food for flights. This is gonna be like one of my first times packing like a full-on meal, so I think it will be fine. I know that sometimes fresh fruits can be an issue, but if I'm gonna eat them on the plane, I don't think it will be an issue. But that being said, obviously being vegan and eating vegan and plant-based is a huge, ginormous passion of mine. So many people are always asking me for advice, asking me for tips, and I'm so happy to say that I will be creating something very cool to be helping people with that. So if that interests you at all, be sure to follow my Instagram because I'll be posting all of the updates on there for you guys. Just to give you a little update and where I am in my packing process, once again, like you saw, I still have like half of my suitcase to pack, essentially just like all of the clothes, and then also my toiletries need to be packed, and then I will be done packing. But I do have a few stops to make on the way to Toronto. I have to drop off an Aritzia package for one of my last Aritzia videos. Nothing fit me. Thank God they were able to make an exception because I never take no as an answer. I'm always nice, but I'm very keen on what I want, and they were very accommodating for that because nothing fit me, so it really sucked. That was great. I'm able to return that for a refund. I'm gonna drop that off, and then I'm hoping that the store will not close by the time I get out of here. I want to stop at a health store to get something for my boyfriend. I might also stop at one of the malls on my way to Toronto, but like I said, I'm running low on time. I think I might be able to hop over there quickly if I really am keen on packing very quickly, but I guess we'll kind of see. I'm gonna try to do the best that I can, get everything that I need, and I'm trying just to go slow. Like, there really is no rush. I think I'm getting worried that like, oh, I won't be able to spend enough time with my dad. But it's like, honestly, I'm leaving for a trip, and like, I think he would understand that like, I'm stressing, I have a lot to do in a very short amount of time. So I think that he'll be understanding of everything. So anyways, that's where I'm at, and I'll keep you updated as always. Thank God I am all done packing now. Did I just close up my bags and put everything aside to then retake out everything just so I could show you guys? Yes, so let me show you my bags right now. So I have everything I already mentioned, and then in here I have 4 packing cubes with all of my clothes. I have more than enough options. I'm just wearing a black zip-up sweater. It's very thin to the airport with a thickish jean jacket, oversized on top. And then on this side, I basically just have a bunch of like electronic stuff. I'm setting up the AirTag and putting it in my actual luggage because I'm paranoid. I don't usually check luggages sometimes, so a bit paranoid. I'm gifting that to my dad, so some of this won't be taking up as much space. Probably wondering, what is that? I am in fact bringing a measuring tape because last time I brought this as a carry-on suitcase, they almost made me pay $60 to check it, claiming that it wasn't within the restrictions, but it is, and I'm not paying an extra $60 to check something that I'm allowed to have. And obviously, like, I'm always nice about it. Like, if I need to measure my bag in front of somebody, I literally will because I refuse to pay. On this side, I just have my green Aritzia tracksuits. I do also have the matching shorts for it. It's a bit thicker. I don't know how cold it's gonna be. And then I just have a really cute, like, one of those like BBL looking sweaters that is new that I just bought, and then I have a book, and then everything in here is what I already mentioned. I don't think I added anything new except some biker shorts to change into when I get to LAX. I always make sure I have biker shorts because it's usually very hot there when I land, and then I just put that little purse inside of that bag there. This is what I'm wearing right now. Just a cute little like sweat set with like a sports bra looking thing, and then I'm putting the other sweater on top. I always get so hot when I'm on the airplane because I get anxious as hell. I get so anxious when I'm on the plane, so I like to have something underneath that I can just kind of unzip or, you know, take the sweater off. But yeah, that's kind of the update right now. I still have to water all of my plants. Essentially, I have to water my plants in less than 40 minutes and then get my butt over to FedEx because I still have to drop off that Aritzia package, and I'm pretty sure that they close at 7. So with that being said, the next clip you see is probably going to be me either after I do the package or when I'm in Toronto. I made it to my grandparents' house not too long ago. It's now 10:13 p.m. If you cannot already tell by my face, I'm absolutely so exhausted. I literally got to the FedEx store with 5 minutes to spare. I was really worried that she wasn't going to be able to print the shipping label for me because I didn't have time to print it. I just had it on my phone. But luckily she was able to print it for me. She was able to tape up the package, put it on the package, and she even printed an extra label so I have the tracking information, so that was very helpful. On my way here, I stopped at the Nike store to see if they had these shorts my boyfriend wanted, but they didn't, so I ended up going to Uniqlo. Try not to shop there because it is like fast fashion AF, and I try not to support fast fashion, but I wanted to get these viral bags that everyone is talking about on TikTok. Apparently they hold so much stuff, so I got 2 of those. They were like 25 bucks each, so I paid like $56 including tax. And yeah, I'm absolutely freaking exhausted. I washed my face upstairs. I saw my dad for a little bit, and then I'm going to be going to bed now. Honestly, I'm going to FaceTime my boyfriend for a few minutes, say goodnight, and then go to sleep because today was crazy. The last couple of days, like weeks, have been crazy. I just have a lot going on. Majority of the stuff which I haven't even shared with you guys yet, so just know it's a lot. It's a lot that's going on. I'm not just being dramatic. But anyways, like I said, it's 10:15 now. The next time I will see you is at probably 3:30 a.m. or 4, or maybe around like 4:30 when I get to the airport. My plane is like boarding at 7 a.m. and you have to usually be there like 2 or 3 hours before. Probably just gonna do like 2 hours, so either way it's gonna be way too early when I see you guys next. So I'll see you soon. Good night. I totally did not just bash my head off of that railing in front of literally everyone at my gate. Awkward. I did make it to my gate. Not too many people here, but considering it's like 5:30 or something, 5:46, I would say that there are a lot of people. I'm boarding in about an hour and 15 minutes, but knowing Air Canada, they're always late. My face is kind of red. I always get so hot at airports. It's genuinely so annoying. I get so much travel anxiety, especially because the last time I traveled, they wouldn't let me take my carry-on bag. They were trying to make me pay for it, and I thought they were measuring bags again in like that little metal thing. The little metal thing is literally smaller than the size that they say online, so it's like annoying. So I was sweating. I was like nervous that they were gonna make me try to check my bag, and it wouldn't be a huge deal, but I have like batteries and stuff like that in both of my bags, which you're not allowed to check, so I think that's why I was worried. But anyways, I'm probably just going to try to walk around for an hour. I might get more matcha. I don't really know yet. I guess we'll see what kind of happens. I'm going to eat the rest of my peanut butter sandwich and then get on the plane and go see my man in LA. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. There's a plane right there. I don't think that's the plane I'm gonna be on, but it's cool just to see it. And I got like the perfect thumbnail, so I'm so excited. But yeah, I think that's all for now, and I'll see you in LA. I'm in my man's truck. I landed at LAX at like 9:30 California time, and it is now 4:04. We did so much. We're both so exhausted. We both woke up so early because I had the flight, but he had to go to work for a few hours, like 5 hours I think. He clocked in for 3 a.m. Clocked in, was there at 3 a.m. which is absolutely insane. Like, could not be me, but like, bless his soul. Honestly, I look up to him so much. He's coming with the pizza. But I made it safely, thank God. We're about to do a taste test, but you're gonna have to wait for the next vlog to see that.
Excited?
I'm so excited too. Thank you for watching. If you want to see the rest of my California vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my socials, of course leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.